Very good morning and honorable judges. Gaucho's grip is a slang term used for skilled footballers from the South America. Strategies to tame a intermittent cataract are intralenticular needle decompression, mini-rexis, asterisk opening in the interchamber, femto, zepto, and capsule laser. I am presenting a very consistent strategy which I am finding very much promising, and that is a puncture axis. Have a look at case 1, 2, and 3. I am in phaco position 2, making a punch hole in the intercapsule and then completing the rexis by taking cuts with the Vanna scissor. The decompression is not only anterior but also posterior. Case number 2. Although you will find that there was an extension, but it is not such an alarming extension that it goes to the equator. So I am finding this to be a very consistent strategy from the last 50 cases, which I am employing in all cases of intermittent cataract.
So what are your parameters in this?
Sir, I am putting it at a default of whatever the settings of Earthly machine is there.
How much? What is the
Earthly machine parameters are 65% phaco power, 450 vacuum, and 45 aspiration flow rate.
So I'll give you a much simpler technique, and I've been practicing for now last more than 5 years. I do the same I was talking about. I use the IA cannula, put an irrigation from the one side and the aspiration port from the other side, and do the lenticular massage. That means you just press and do the compression of the anterior capsule. All the pockets will be broken. Cortical matter will get dissolved into the pockets over there. I never had any extension of the capsular axis, even if you make it 7 millimeter large axis. So all the lenticular pressure is gone. So very simple. Earlier on I used to put on a viscoelastic. Then again the problem was how to stain and dye it. Because if I put on a viscoelastic beforehand, then do the massage. If I dye it before, the dye just washes off while you are rubbing it. And if I put on a viscoelastic before, then it becomes difficult to dye. So now I use the IA. I put on irrigation to maintain the chamber and massage with the aspiration port, and you will never ever have run up of the rexis. And this puncture rexis was of course described by Mohan Rajan earlier, and it looks very scary actually when you try to do it.
But I have never encountered any kind of extension.
Yeah. So,
and the advantage I am finding is that there is a possibility of a posterior decompression, which, as you express,
I'm not debating. It works very well in your hand, but didn't work so well in my hand.
Yes.
So what I'm saying that there are safer and comfortable methods are also available.
Yes. Thank you very much.